Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today is another morning. I want to boil some egg so I can eat and go down and continue weeding for the fence. I want to boil these eggs that mom said we should not boil, so that when Vena comes she will have something to eat and not eat githeri all the time like us, but she will eat githeri all the time like us. Githeri is good. It's not like too bad and it's not the best, but it is good. It is not bad. It's only good and bad, and there is good. Okay, there's best, better, and whatever, but there is good. So yeah, those eggs are boiling over there. Now I want to go and feed my rabbits. Feed Famous and Funny. Did I tell you my sister named them like that? I don't know if I told you, but yeah, I thought my girlfriend was going to, because she usually names them like she's the first person I've heard naming. She's the first person who named our dog and called it Bosco, and it was Bosco and Dracula. Osama. Bosco and Osama. Bosco died. Osama is locked up somewhere in somebody's home because he was almost killed, and I was told to go for him, but I've not gone for him yet. I'll go for him. She named the sheep Ble. What else did she name? She's named a lot of animals, and I have never named any. But my sister named these two rabbits Funny and Famous. We shall go and figure out which one is funny and which one is famous right now as we go to feed them. I'm also going to feed the dog some of this leftover ugali from yesterday. Let's wait and see. My dog. Our dog can catch. You've disappointed me. Why didn't you catch like the other days? We are taping this. Then go feed the chicken this leftover, like the burnt. This was yesterday's supper. Ugali and grains. I cooked it and it was very sweet. Oi. Let us see if they have laid an egg. Oh yeah. And it's warm. It has just been laid. Seems Vena will not lack eggs after all. Yeah. Feed the rabbits which are over there. Today I'm feeding them the grass that I cut yesterday as I was coming back home from weeding. See how if they are finished the food we put yesterday in the morning. Let's see if they are finished. Where are they? We'll come to the door. Oh yeah, all of it. Okay, not all of it, but most of it. Good work, good job, guys. And you have pooped a lot. Oh my god, all that poop in one day. Type shit. Before we feed you, we see who is funny and who is famous. So yeah, who wants to be funny? How do you even figure this out? Or I will wait for my sister to come and she will name you personally. But so far, you should know one of you is funny and the other one is famous. clean, no poop. You guys chew some grass there during the day. I will come with some more in the afternoon and we'll add you so you can chew during the night. Close that up. I have some good news. So yesterday, you remember I was trying to trap the urine so I can use it as fertilizer for the leaves. And guess what? Figured it out after all. There is some of it. Let me leave you just there so that you can continue collecting. First and foremost, I saw that right now there are 3 eggs. She's coming on the 12th. Today is on 4th or 5th. On the 6th. So they produce 3 eggs a day or sometimes 2. So if I don't eat any other egg, this tray will be full before she comes. But we shall see. I hope they don't stop laying eggs. Eggs still boiling. Oh, the red hot. Let me go fetch some firewood so I can come and also hit tea for breakfast, because Mama's also not eaten. She has also not eaten breakfast. So let me go fetch some firewood over here. I have gotten this from there, that pile over there, and it is enough. And the sheep are out and about already. They are out there feeding already. Let me go add firewood to those eggs so they can boil, and so I can eat boiled eggs, which is a dab. It's a good thing. Jeez. Kedo kiega. I've added it. You see the fire is not too big right now. Wait and see the magic happen. The water is not even boiling, but it's very hot. I'm not even blown on it. It's lighting itself. Look at it now. Blazing hot. From the water. Almost boiling. Me chilling and waiting. The tea from the kettle. I think these eggs are ready now. They're ready to consume them. So let me, how is it called? Taking the sufuria from the fireplace and putting it down. What's the name of that? There's no name coming to my head. Let me remove it from the fire. Ooh, very hot. And the tea goes on in the hot fire. And I add some tea leaves. Not too much though. It is. And let it boil. Let me pick a sieve. The sieve that I will use to sieve the tea leaves that I have added to the tea. Sieve it back into the kettle. I've put them in some cold water, and here's the hot water beside here. I've put some cold water fresh from the tap so that the peel will be easy to remove. It will come out in a smooth manner. Like it will be smooth. It will not be like coming off with some egg parts and I want to eat the whole egg. I just want it to be smooth. So here is the peeling test. This one has already cracked. It has fallen on the ground, and look at it. Let's do this. So far so good. No eggs lost yet. Still a clean swipe, and I think it's going to be like that all the way. Yeah. Nothing lost. Let's do the second one. But this one is not cracked. Let me show you do it. You crack it all the way around. Just like that. Then you start peeling. Almost lost it. Almost lost this one. But I recovered it. You can see the difference. I lost almost all the meat. Here's some of it in this shell. So lost very much meat here. This is a clean slate. Let me go sprinkle some salt and eat them both together at the same time. Here they is. Salt, a pinch of salt, per bit. Add some more. One on this hand, the other on this hand, and then both in my mouth. Haha. Then I rinse it off with some warm tea or hot tea. Let's feel it. Yeah. Proteins in my blood and whatever else is in there. Now let me prepare myself to go and weed. I feel nice now. I feel like somebody is going to be working for the whole day. I am at the fence. Yeah, I'm at the fence right now. I'm starting out here. Be just behind this rock, like just behind this rock on this plant. Let's see how far I shall go. The goal is to get to the end, all the way over there. The end over there. Let me stop yapping and start doing this. When weeding for the fence, I use my hands. I think I told you yesterday, it's not me to repeat. But if I'm not careful, I'm going to uproot. I really need to lock in and focus. Don't uproot any fence. A mistake. The sun is very hot. I'm sweating just being in the sun. It may train, which is a good thing. Because somebody destroyed it. My hanger that has no catching part. La, guys, you'll never guess what. I am at the end. Oh, you can already see it. Guys, I'm at the end. I have finished weeding. Yeah, I think it's weeding. That word is confusing. Like, it sounds like it's not the word, but it also sounds like it's the word. So I'll say it as the word. So I'm done weeding for the fence plant, which I have still not looked up the name in English. But I told you in Kikuyu it's called Kayafa. Yeah, and it looks nice. Let me show you guys. There is the end, all the way like this. All the way. Good job done. Good job done. Somewhere like there, I'm going to come and put a piece there. That's too wide. But good job over here. Good job. I'm going to need to fill in some here. It's too far apart, but you can see there is some small ones. Here it seems like it dried up all of it. But I will come and replant maybe tomorrow when it rains. And if it does not rain, I'll just come plant then mulch. But so far so good. You can see, you can see, you can see, you can see it. There's some here. You can see this is where we were. Remember, I was right over here when I came between this rock and that flower. I mean that plant that I'm going to cut off right now because it is also a weed. But you can see this is what had done by I think yesterday or the day before yesterday. Yesterday is when I started. So yeah, yesterday. You can see it's looking dope, very very dope. You can see it. This part there is no. I'm going to have to plant some, but you can see it. You can see it looking dope, looking awesome. You can see the new one. It looks dope. Seems I did not dig enough. I'm going to come and dig some more so that this grass can stop growing. Looks like it dried up here, but it shall come back to life. You can see. Yeah, that's some dope stuff. Now I want to go back home so I can go prepare myself. I want to go and buy nails from the what do they sell nails? From the hardware. I want to go buy some nails, some building nails from the hardware, so you can come mend some fence just somewhere behind me. I'll show you when we come to mend it. And also tomorrow build a shed for the sheep. Yeah, we're going to, he needs some nails to finish to complete it so that the sheep can move in. Yeah, so I'm going to our city and I'm going to carry this pang of mine so I can go put a handle on it. It hurts my hand when I use it like that. It fits. Yeah. I'm very full. Thank you, God. I am on the way. I can even see the hill from here. I am almost there. And this bike is about to pass. Today I'm going to be cringe and vlog in town. Oh my God. The person who was supposed to make for me my panga has not opened today. How unfortunate. Maybe I'll find somewhere else. Or maybe he has opened somewhere else. Let me go check. I am now waiting for the tailor to finish making my panga. Not tailor but clover. Guys, I have just made it back home. And check out how the cobbler has made my panga. It is not as good as new, but it is better than how it was when it was empty. I can hold it better and farm with it better and stuff. So yeah, that's a W. Yeah, see you tomorrow.